All right, guys, got a 2007 Chevy Corvette. It's got long tube headers, no cats, and then it had the stock muffler still on it. All we did was a muffler swap and went back to the factory tips. We took off the stocks and put on Flowmaster Super 10s. So I'll let you guys see it and hear it. Headers there, no cats, X-pipe, long tubes right there and right there. And then into the X-pipe all the way back. And over the rear axle right there and right there. And then we started back here. This is where we put the Flowmaster Super 10s at, right there. But single in, single out, offset, offset. Flowmaster's 2.5 inlet, 2.5 outlet. Then back to the factory tips right there. There's the system now. It's a whole lot neater, a whole lot cleaner. 842518. Yeah, 2.5 in, offset, offset. The stock mufflers are over there. Those are the ones we cut off. So there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2007 Chevy Corvette Flowmaster Super 10s. Decibels. 108 right there. There it is right there, Flowmaster Super 10s. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Muffler swap with Super 10s, factory tips, long tube headers, no cats.